Microsoft can be so annoying. Windows has so many fantastic features that they make it so difficult to actually access, including HDR screen calibration. A pretty important tool that makes a huge difference in your HDR viewing experience that even Nvidia heavily recommends if you're planning on using RTX Auto HDR. However, it's such a crucial tool for pretty much any HDR display on the market, that is, pretty much all displays on the market right now, isn't even pre-installed with Windows. Instead, you have to get it from the Microsoft Store. Now, thankfully, it is free, but still, why not just bundle it? Anyway, once you do have it installed, the process of doing it is pretty simple. Naturally, the first thing you want to do is enable HDR on your display, and in Windows if you haven't already. From then the way it works pretty simple. You basically just have these various different scenes going on, and you need to match it to ensure that the pattern is not visible. And then that's pretty much all you do for the next, 3 minutes. You just go through every single one of these. Then if you want to do a sanity check to see if it's working, go into your display settings. Then you should see the color profile there being selected. So if you found this helpful, then hey, maybe subscribe, or maybe you also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Bartosz Welken, or pseudonym Meg Sumner, Sheen Allcroft, Lensby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.